Dr. Wally Wallace. I'm a saxophonist and director of the Gate City Saxophone Academy. And like all saxophonists, I hate sticky keys. Sticky G sharp in particular can ruin a performance, and in the studio, it can cost you time and money. But Key Leaves key props have fixed my sticky keys. So after every rehearsal or session, I take 2 seconds and pop them under my E flat and C sharp keys, and that automatically opens the G sharp key. And that leaves the 3 stickiest keys on the saxophone open to dry. I live and teach in Greensboro, North Carolina. It's a city with a rich cultural history and a thriving arts community. And we do have 4 distinct seasons. And they're all humid. Sticky G sharp used to be a huge headache for me and my students, but since using Key Leaves key props, I just don't worry about it. They rotate and detach so they fit all my horns, including Bari, and they're made out of a soft silicone so they won't scratch your finish. And costing less than a box of reeds, they're kind of a no-brainer. Like your end cap, it's just something you should use.